How to fix laptop plugged in, not charging on Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix the laptop plugged in and not charging on your Windows 10 or 11, then just right click on your Windows button and then go with the device manager. Once you open up the device manager, you just need to simply go with the batteries option. Under batteries, now you just need to simply go with battery, right click on it and then go with update driver and search automatically for drivers. And once the best drivers for your device are already installed, now you just need to simply go back and restart your device. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then right click on it again and then go with uninstall device. And once you uninstall the device, you need to again restart your device. And after restarting, the computer or the laptop itself will download or install the drivers or device automatically. And after that, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix, then you just need to simply open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, now you just need to simply go with the Windows update, which is here on the left side. And if you have any updates, then you just need to simply go with the update, which will be right here on the right side. You just need to simply go with download and install. And once you've downloaded or once you've updated, then you need to restart, and after that, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the laptop plugged in and not charging on your Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.